How to tie the Painter hitch. A nice quick release hitch. So as you can see, I've got my rope laid out in front of me, and going off to the right hand side is my working end, and just here we have the object that we want to tie the Painter hitch to. So the first thing I'm going to do is just pull a little bit of rope through to tie the Painter hitch. Once we've done that, we then fold our rope like so and form a bight in our rope. So on the right hand side is my working end, and the standing part is on the left hand side. I then pass that bight over the object and then pull that bight down underneath, just slightly to the left hand side of the standing part. Once I've done that, I then get my two fingers, put them up through that bight we've created and pull the standing part through like so. Pull it through and form another bight at that point there. Once we've done that, I now take my working end and I form a bight in my working end, and I pass that bight through the previous bight, and then once we've done that, we dress it up nice and smartly and securely, and there we have it, one in number, Painter hitch.